Hello and welcome. Writing a thesis can be one of the most daunting tasks that a student can face during their academic career. While it can be a rewarding experience, it's not uncommon for students to feel overwhelmed and uncertain about where to start. Today our EduBirdie team decided to discuss the top 5 challenges that students often face while writing a thesis. So let's get started. Challenge 1. Choosing a topic. Students may struggle to find a topic that genuinely interests them and motivates them to invest time and effort into the research process. A thesis is a long-term project, so it is essential to choose a topic that you are passionate about and that will sustain your interest over the duration of the project. Challenge 2. Organizing your thoughts. Organizing your thoughts while writing a thesis is an essential step towards producing a coherent, well-structured, and well-supported academic work. Your thesis statement should be a clear and concise summary of your overall argument. It should be located in the introduction section of your thesis. Challenge 3. Conducting research. Research for a thesis can be a lengthy and time-consuming process. It often involves reviewing a large amount of literature, collecting data, analyzing results, and writing up findings. Some research topics are inherently complex, which can make it difficult to identify relevant literature, formulate research questions, or design experiments. Challenge 4. Writing a literature review. Writing a literature review requires reading and analyzing a large volume of academic articles, books, and other materials, which can be time-consuming and overwhelming. Literature reviews require a critical analysis of the literature and synthesizing the information, which can be difficult to organize into a coherent and logical structure. Challenge 5. Overcoming writer's block. The mental and emotional challenges of writing a thesis are always present. Writing up the findings of the research can also be challenging, particularly when facing writer's block and trying to present the research in an organized manner. However, with careful planning, guidance, and perseverance, students can successfully complete their task. And that's a wrap. We hope that this video has provided you with some valuable insights. Remember, writing a thesis is a challenging task, but it's also an opportunity to develop your research and writing skills and make a meaningful contribution to your field of study. By breaking down the task into smaller parts, staying organized, and staying motivated, you can successfully complete a thesis that you can be proud of. And remember that you can always use help of EduBirdie. We are here for you 24/7 and can help you even if deadlines are too close. If you have any other tips or strategies that have helped you while writing a thesis, feel free to share them in the comments below. Also, don't forget to use your personal discount for your order. YouTube 10. Thanks for watching and good luck with your thesis writing.